read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers. How are you? Me, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. What are the learning outcomes of this today? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace the number 1. Okay, you will keep some things on the table, like you could take eraser, you could take sharpener, you could take color box, and you should ask from the students, how many sharpener are there on my table? How many erasers are there on my table? How many color boxes are there on my table? They will reply to you that there is 1 sharpener, 1 eraser, 1 color box. After that, you will write number 1 on the whiteboard. You will teach them the formation of number 1 like that. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Which number is this? This is number 1. Which number is this? This is number 1. After that, you will teach the students 1 cat sat on the mat. 1 cat sat on the mat. And there is a rhyme you will visualize and you will recall it again and again. Okay? Now, it's time to say goodbye to you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.